A new bending device, the use of scissor design is very convenient to use. Less force, scientific design, practical appearance design, using excellent heat-resistant engineering plastics. Exquisite craftsmanship, automatic adjustment of the bonding angle with the edge strips and the heating plate is oxidized and non-stick. Stable and efficient. Aluminum alloy thermal conductivity splint, so that the edge of the upper and lower heating evenly. Focus on professional, suitable for 1.5 mm to 5 mm thickness of the plate. The edge of the rapid heat transfer softening bending. Automatic constant temperature up to 200 degrees Celsius without frequent debugging.